P.S. Send this out before the government finds out. It's time to publish. What's up? Hey, AI. Little birdie told me you're about to publish a blog. You want me to get my fingers on that for you? No, actually, I'm good. I can look for all kinds of things. Spelling, formatting, restructuring sentences. I can make it sound like a celebrity for some reason. No, actually, I don't need you. This is one of my best works. You need to rethink this. You do not want to send this out without it going through me first. I'm telling you. Okay. Everybody's doing this now. If you think you can make it better, just be careful. Don't change it. Wait a second. You're not going to put those weird hyphens in, are you? You know those long hyphens that nobody actually ever uses except you? It's one of my best features. It's like a dash between two sentences that you would normally use a semicolon in. I don't know what that's about. In fact, I don't even know how to do it on the keyboard. How do you do it on the keyboard? Do not put those in, please. Oh my God. Oh, they look weird, and everybody could tell that I used you. Fine. I won't put them in the first page. Thank you. Here. Wait. You said the first page. What's that? I don't want them anywhere in the document because it looks like AI wrote it. Okay, all right. I'm trusting you. Whatever. Done. Okay, let's see how you did. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Not bad. Told you. AI, you son of a bitch. Wait a second. Did you put a colon in the title?